Today's helpful how-to video is going to be showing you how to change your boot ends onto your coil packs. Now this is a very simple procedure, and it's very easy to do yourself. So let's just jump into it. You can pick these up. This is actual coils for Mitsubishi Endeavor, but coil designs don't change much, and you can apply this to about any coil that's got the removable boot. This is the part number. And I picked these up at my local Advance Auto, and I got these at a very good deal. And we got 3 coils here today. We are going to be installing the new boots and stuff on. So let's go ahead and open everything up. And in this kit, we get 1 new boot. I call these a dust shield. And a contact spring, just like so. Now inside these, you can see it's got the spring and everything, and they just pull right off, just like so. Very easy, very simple to do. The spring should slide out on its own. Oh, that is. I was hunting for that spring. We found it. Anyway. This is the old spring compared to the new spring. Just lay that to the side. This has silicone on it. The way it was installed, it shouldn't have, but it does. We're going to take a little bit of brake cream and just spray this off. Get some of this oil out of it. Because we want it nice and clean before we install it. Get a lot of this old silicone off this, because silicone don't need to be on a coil. Anyhow, now we got this cream that's inside right here. We got it all sprayed out because it had oil in it. It looks very good. We need a contact spring. The spring goes straight down just like so. It's got a little kind of a dimple inside of it. Then you need to take this and put this on. It goes on one way, so it goes on just like so. You can lube these up with a little bit of oil or transmission fluid or something, make them go on easier, but I just manually just use it by hand, just like so. When it sets in this groove here, nice and soft, nice and easy. Now once you get that, you're going to apply your boot. It goes on the same way. You can actually take a little contact grease and put it in this too if you wanted to. And this goes on just like so. And then it snaps on. Very simple, very easy. And we're going to go ahead and do this in the same way. Okay. We get a other kit. Go ahead and open it up. Like so. Drop a spring back in. Drop a little dust shield back the way it needs to go. Just like so. Put it down on there. Make sure it's seated. Put the top back on to it pretty well. Snaps on. Just like so. And we got pretty much a brand new coil. So that is how you install new boots and contact springs and stuff into your coils. Pretty simple and easy to do. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like. As always, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I keep more do-it-yourself helpful how-to videos and more posted every single day. Thank you for watching.